Video. So in this particular video I'll be discussing on a feature in Python, that is Python is a dynamically typed language. So what does dynamically typed language means? Suppose you have a variable a equals to 10, and now if I write type of a and then save the file and run the file, so it's Python die.py. Okay, so type is to be printed, so print. Now let's save the file and rerun the program. It's int. Now the beauty of Python is that it is a dynamically typed language, is something like that. In Java or in C++, you need to declare the type of data the variable will be holding, but that is not the scenario in case of Python. So now I can say that a equal to str. Fine. So if I just print this line one more time, let me save the file, and for ease of access I will be naming it as output 1. So comma, and then I'll be having this as output 2, comma. Let me save the file and let me run the program. So in the first instance I'm getting int, and then in the second instance I'm getting str. So in Java what happens is that if I just consider Java, so let me create a file like type dot java. Fine. So I need to import java dot io input output dot star. Now we'll be having public static void main. So yeah, so this public static void main cannot lie on its own. It needs to be inside, encapsulated within a class, and the type of, and the name of the this file is type. So the class name should also be type. So it's a class name, right? So there won't be any bracket within it, no first brackets, that is the angular bracket. So let me close the braces. Now if I say that a equal to 10, and then sys out, no suggestion, okay, fine. S out, still no suggestion, fine. System dot out dot println a. Now there will be an error in this particular line of code, because you need to define what is the value of, the data type of a. So I'm writing int a equal to 10, right? So now if I run the program, if I say that it's Java and the name of the program is type.py, fine. Now we are having Java type.py is 10. Now if I reassign a value, maybe a equal to str, Python interpreter, Java interpreter will throw an error, because Java is a type safety language, that is whatever the value the variable is holding. So see, already there is an error. Type mismatch cannot convert string to int. So that's the beauty. So that's the basic difference. That's the difference between Python and Java. In Python the variables are dynamic, that is whatever values, the data type of it inside it which you are holding, it can be of any type. However, in Python, in Java, that is not the scenario. It is a statically typed language, that is you need to declare what is the type of the variable before assigning it some values. That's all for this video tutorial. Thank you all guys, and happy coding.